Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Makita deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, guys. Basically, I'm Makita for today, and let me know down in the comment section if this is what you want to see, just a single brand video, or if we want to go back to the regular video where I show all the store completely with all the brands in one single video, one long video. Anyways, we got the string trimmers here, spare tool $199. We got the combo $279. So we got the $199 for the kit, single tool, and then $279 for the blower and string trimmer. And then you got $129 for the blower tool only. So you guys see there, 459 CFM. So it's a little bit more than the Milwaukee. But it overall looks really nice. Looks really compact. You got the $279 kit. Looks like it does include impact driver, drill driver, and 2 batteries. And then you got the chainsaw here for $199, which is, I think this is a great value. Most of these are all kits. You got the impact driver, drill driver, subcompact at the bottom there. And then you got the $279 kit there. You're going to end up getting a free battery with that kit. So definitely check it out, guys. There's a lot of great deals from every brand. And I will be having more different brands throughout the weekend, or this weekend. So we got some more power tools here. We got some discs there from, these are the new X lock diamond blade discs that they have. Then at the bottom we have that $399 deal. It includes an impact driver and drill driver. This is the newest tools. I actually want to get this deal, and you get a free pair of 5 amp hour batteries, and you get a 45 piece impact set. So by the end of the day, if you return, well, you know, if that's what you want to do, if you return it, you end up paying just for the kit itself, impact driver, drill driver, for like $200 and something. I think that's a great smoking deal. Even with those batteries, still a great deal. So definitely check it out. This is a great deal. And on the clearance section, I did see this sander. So $119, as you guys see there. And then this was the section that they had on the garden section. So that's it. Just a short video for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon. And I will be having more tool brand videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one.